How to add a new Linksys router to your network to extend your wired or wireless internet coverage. You don't need to use cables to connect the Linksys router to your main router. The Linksys router acts like a wireless bridge from your main router to your computer. It supports both wired and wireless devices. Follow these steps. On your Linksys router, set it up as follows. Access the device management page. Connectivity. Internet settings. Edit. Change the default settings. Wireless bridge. Wi-Fi name. Wi-Fi security mode. WPA2 personal. Wi-Fi name. Wi-Fi password. Enter what to do in these fields. This is the main router. Enter the wireless network name and password of your main router. I have noted its wireless name and password. The Linksys router connects to the main router and then shares internet to the devices after it via wired and wireless networks. Enter the correct name and password for each. Wi-Fi name. Wi-Fi password. 1234567889. Simple password. Apply. Switch to wireless bridge mode. And this is the connection status on Linksys. Good luck.